Welcome to Houselux Estate, your go-to channel for all things technology and its impact on lifestyle. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence, a game changer that's reshaping industries by rendering certain skills obsolete. Stay tuned as we unravel the top 3 skills that AI has made useless. Coming in at number 3, we have manual calculations. Remember the days when you would spend hours, even days, crunching numbers manually? Well, those days are long gone. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized the way we perform calculations. From simple calculators to sophisticated accounting software and advanced data analysis tools, AI has taken over. It's not just about saving time, but also about accuracy. AI reduces the risk of human error, making our calculations more reliable and precise. So, no more tedious number crunching thanks to AI. At number 2, we find basic machine operations. AI has revolutionized this skill, making it almost obsolete for humans. Consider automated manufacturing lines. Machines are programmed to assemble, inspect, and package products with precision. Then there are self-driving cars, navigating complex roads with ease. And let's not forget drones, delivering packages right to your doorstep. The rise of AI means that more often than not, machines are operating machines. Indeed, machines are now smart enough to operate themselves. And the top skill that AI has made useless is routine customer service. AI chatbots and virtual assistants are now the new customer service representatives. They're diligent, working round the clock to provide instant responses to customer queries. Gone are the days of waiting on hold to speak with a customer service rep. AI doesn't need lunch breaks or sleep. It's always ready to help. This digital workforce has completely revolutionized the customer service industry. Customers now get instant help any time of the day, without the need for human intervention. And there you have it. The top 3 skills that AI has made useless, from manual calculations to basic machine operations and even routine customer service. AI is revolutionizing our world and making certain skills obsolete. Remember to subscribe to Houselux Estate for more insightful videos. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech.